Yeah.
So we're going to have to clamp it.
So instead of bolting, we are welding these heavier bars on to the frame. I better flip it sideways. You should have done to begin with. What, you only welded this one piece here, or did you weld?
I just welded the back on this one.
Oh, you only welded that one.
Yep, I got to.
See how it turned out?
Well, I got to line it up before I weld this one.
Yeah.
Take it back off and weld that one.
So, yeah. We made it like how many inches longer?
We don't know. We got that pipe inside.
I don't know. That's like.
I mean, we can take that side off. I'm taking. Okay, I won't now. The front will come back off, and you can add both ends of that like we added.
Yeah.
Just took 2 times. So I gotta pull the front back off and weld this.
So then we're gonna put something through here.
Up here.
And then we're gonna put like a metal thing across here.
Yep.
And then we can start building it longer. After we get the engine on. Figure out how we're gonna do it. Yeah, wider. Don't it with the snowmobile motor. You say we are gonna cut the back axle?
I don't know.
Or so we gotta.
We gotta put that. We gotta tear that apart and see what the code's on it.
Yeah.
I doubt it got the same code as this.
With this thing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It might be different than it is, and then we gotta cut it.
Yeah. Well, that's what it looks like right now. Then we'll end up putting the motor on.